Hello guys, welcome to my new video. And in today's video it's about the retrofitting of lifefitness 95T treadmill. And here you can see it's not a genuine lifefitness, so its display was not working. And what we did, we installed the customized screen over this panel, and we made its like panel to give it the original look. But since in Pakistan these machines are imported from other countries, and if we contact with the company from Life Fitness and some their original companies to give us the support, but they don't support us. So since these machines are expensive and the people has very less purchase power, so what they do, or what we do, we replace these consoles with customized consoles and try to fix the problems and make the machine functional. So in this setup we installed the Android panel over here, and if you can see its feature here, it's look and its main display. Here's the press start button and time, the local. It's all about like this, since it's an Android screen, so all the features are available. So you can go, you can watch videos, and if you go to applications, you can even install the customized applications as well. So the Netflix, Chrome, and Spotify, and too many other things are also available. So even it can be connected with Wi-Fi. So over the Wi-Fi you can use YouTube, Netflix, and you can browse whatever you can. So this video is more dedicatedly about the installation of this panel. So since it's touch, we have installed this, but the problem is that since it's original motor of is Life Fitness is incline motor is 115 volts. So here you can see it's 115 volts, and but the motor driver card of this, or like the lower card, is 220 volt. So 115 volts and 220 volts. So the question is how we can use this incline by using this panel. So I will let you know, or I have used it idea to fix this thing, or to drive this motor by using 100 and 220 volt circuit. So if we look at this circuit, or if I can since it's plugged up, let me plug it out. So have a close look over this. So here we have the AC terminals, alternating current 1 terminal, alternating current 2 terminal, and here's the common. So if you know about the treadmills, you know the common, the down and up, 3 wires are used to connect your incline motor. So common is connected with the common, and up and down. So if you connect the down, so when you press the down button, this relay is latch and your motor goes down. And if you send the, or you press the up button from console, the signal comes over here, and this relays get latched and the motor goes up. So this is the functionality of incline motor. But in this case, since our motor is 220 volt, 115 volts, so how we can convert the 115 volt motor with 220 volt circuit? So what I did, here you can see that these 3 terminals are, here you can see these 3 terminals were short, like these three was common. But I cut this out. I disconnect the common terminal. Here you can see I scratch it and disconnect its path by just like scratching it with any sharp thing. I used the paper cutter to cut it, and I connect this common terminal with this wire. So this wire, and I will also disconnect it from here. I will disconnect it, and this is my common terminal. And second, you can see this is the second wire, and I have connected the second wire with the common terminal of both relays. So these are the both relays, the up relay and down relay, and here is the common terminal for both relays, so which is goes over here. So what I did, okay, for your understanding, I have draw a diagram. So here we have the relay 1 and relay 2, one for, you can say, for the up, or any one you can say for the down. For example, for instance, we say this is for up and this is for down. So, and here we have for example, here we have the incline motor, which is 150 volts. So it is 150 volt motor, and since I have connected the common terminal directly with the 115 volts, and the another wire of 115 volt, I have connected it with the common terminal of a relay. So since this connect is in normally contact, so in simple words, if there is no voltage, this point is short with this point. So when this relay is latched, in this diagram I have not drawn its coil. For example, it's a coil or a biasing, so we are assuming that it's either latching or delatch. For example, if we are sending the signal to this relay and this relay is get latched, so once this relay is get latched, this point of 200, which is coming the voltage coming across this terminal, it gets over here, and this motor moves in either one direction. And in the second case, if this relay is latched, so since the coil is coming over here and voltages are also coming over here, so this terminal gets latched with this one and motor goes in either direction. So these two terminals, this one and this one, determines the direction of motor, either clockwise or anti-clockwise. So in a one case it moves upward, and second case it goes downward. So by using this circuit, you can drive your motors, 115 volt motors, without rewinding. So because some of the persons or many pupils in our country, or might be in other countries as well, or rewind or change the winding of this motor, like they I'm not pretty much sure, but I think they play with the number of turns across like armature or something else. Anyhow, so this is the circuit, and here we have its practical implementation. So here I have the common, and here I have the circuit which is goes on the relay. So I have disconnected this with 220 volt, since we need 220 volt to power up this card, but we need 115 volts to drive this motor. So I have disconnected to 220 volt and supplied 115 volts here. So I will connect 115 volt transformer with this cable and with this cable, and you will see that once the voltage come over here, and if this relay is latched, it will, this terminal will get short with this one, and motor will move in either direction. And once this relay is latched, since it is connected through this terminal, and this relay this terminal gets short with this one, and motor goes in either direction. And we will connect these two wires with 110 volt or 15 volts transformer, and we will connect three, since we have the three wires of incline motor. So white is common, I will connect white with my brown wire, and I will connect the black with down and red with up, and this will, you will see, it will work perfectly. So thanks for watching this. And if you need these kind of panels for if you want to retrofit your treadmills and your treadmill is not working and you want to replace your treadmill with these type of consoles, and you can use it. And we use the Japanese inverter like Mitsubishi, Toshiba, and branded inverters to drive the AC motors. So the reliability is very high, and we used these cards, brand new cards. So we can even give you the guarantee of a 6 months or a years to as a guarantee. So we will provide you the services, after sale services as well. So thank you very much.